And you're live in 3, 2, 1.
This is Rosie reporting live from the news desk at Rosie TV with important messages about your fur children in a hurricane. So there's a lot to consider to keep your pets safe. First, you want to make sure that you check the collars and everybody has an ID tag. And for horses, make sure that their tail or mane has a laminated tag so it can be easily identified. Next, make sure that if you have to evacuate, you have a crate that's big enough for your doggy or kitty or other pet. And make sure that you have your veterinarian records easily available. Even scan them to your phone if you can. And of course, make sure you have enough food, water, and medication for many days. And if you lose electricity in your home, you're going to be glad that you had all of this. And then if you do have to evacuate, you know to drive very safely and make sure that you're watching out for standing water and downed trees on the road. So these are just a few of the things that you have to remember when you have a pet at home. So meanwhile, this is Rosie telling all her pals, human and fur, to be safe in Florida because the storm Dorian looks like it's coming your way. So this is Rosie telling
Wrap it up, Rosie.
Okay. I need to wrap it up now. Okay. This is Rosie telling all her pals how much I love you.